Nico Santos is a Filipino-American actor and comedian, known for portraying Oliver Tsian in Crazy Rich Asians and sales associate Mateo Liwanag in the NBC series Superstore. For the latter, Santos was twice consecutively nominated for the Critics' Choice Television Award for Best Supporting Actor in a Comedy Series. Santos was born in Manila, Philippines. Santos moved with his family to the United States when he was 16, settling in Gresham, Oregon. He and his brother attended Gresham Centennial High School. In his junior year, he attended the Oregon Shakespeare Festival Summer Seminar for high school students, where he discovered his love for theater. Santos attended Southern Oregon University because of its proximity to the Oregon Shakespeare Festival. He studied acting there before switching to costume design due to discouraging remarks from his acting teacher. He came out as gay, his family refused to continue paying for his education, and he dropped out. Personal life, Santos is gay and married to Zeke Smith, who participated on the 33rd Millennials Versus, Gen X, and 34th Game Changers editions of the CBS reality game show Survivor. The couple met in April 2018 at the GLAAD Media Awards. Queerty named Santos one of the Pride 50 trailblazing individuals who actively ensure society remains moving towards equality, acceptance, and dignity for all queer people. Santos's parents were undocumented before becoming citizens. Santos's mother is supportive of his career and has often attended his open mic performances. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Santos' mother and stepfather contracted the virus. His stepfather died while his mother recovered. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.